Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 5th of September. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see a cold front approaching and then moving across the west coast, expected to bring showers and thunderstorms to that southwestern part of the country, as well as the risk of damaging wind gusts and locally heavy falls for parts of the coast. It's a more settled story in the east with a high pressure system moving through, so we're likely to see another cool and frosty morning with a mostly settled day following. We do, however, have a few showers continuing across parts of the east coast tomorrow. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. In Queensland tomorrow, the chance of morning fog across the southeast and central coasts. Then it will be a partly cloudy day with a few isolated coastal showers continuing, mainly about the central coast. Now, the onshore winds are strengthening slightly, so we may see a little bit more in the gauges tomorrow than we have over the last few days, but it's still not likely to amount to too much. We could also see some isolated showers across parts of central Queensland as a cloud band moves through, even the chance of a thunderstorm out that way. But many parts of inland Queensland are expecting a dry day on Friday. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are heading for a mostly sunny day and a top of 27 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, the chance of morning frost on and west of the ranges, so mainly about those western slopes and across the southern inland plains. Now, most of southern and western New South Wales is going to see a dry and generally sunny day. It's going to be a little bit cloudier through the east and northeast, however, with a few showers continuing about the central and northeastern coasts. Not too much is expected in the rainfall gauges, however. For Sydney tomorrow, we are expecting a partly cloudy day and a top of 19 degrees. After a frosty start down in Canberra, a mostly sunny top of 17 degrees. For Victoria tomorrow, the chance of morning frost mainly on and north of the ranges, where those temperatures are dropping below 2 degrees or so. Then it is going to be a mostly sunny day following, a little bit more cloud lingering through Gippsland though. For Melbourne, it'll be a mostly sunny day and a top of 15 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, the chance of morning frost across northern and eastern parts of the state, then a dry and sunny day in those areas. A little bit more cloud through the west with a few isolated showers, mainly in the morning. We are likely to see fairly cool conditions across Tasmania tomorrow, but winds will be easing back. For Hobart tomorrow, it'll be a mostly sunny day and a top of 13 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning frost across parts of the southeast. We will see partly cloudy skies across much of the state tomorrow, with a few showers starting to develop through the west later on, mainly impacting the west coast and the Eyre Peninsula through the later part of the day. It will be a generally mild day, particularly through the west as well, with winds gradually tending northerly and freshening, especially across those inland parts of the state. Cooler and more settled in the southeast, although it will remain a little bit cloudier. For Adelaide tomorrow, it will be a mostly cloudy day and a top of 19 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, we've got our cold front approaching and then moving over the coast. So isolated showers at first, with a band of heavier rain expected with the cold front, pushing across the southwest land division through the afternoon and evening. Now, we may see some locally heavy falls or damaging winds, with showers and thunderstorms as this front moves through, and that includes around the Perth area. Generally, the rainfall totals for tomorrow may amount to 20 to 40 millimetres about parts of the west and southwest coasts. Less is expected further inland. Now, ahead of the front, we are expecting drier conditions, but partly cloudy skies continue, windy at times with high fire dangers through central parts of Western Australia. For Perth tomorrow, we're expecting showers, a possible thunderstorm and a top of 18 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, we are expecting to see a little bit more moisture moving across those northern parts. That means morning fogs are possible across the eastern Arnhem Land and the Carpentaria districts. Partly cloudy skies in those areas with a few isolated showers moving through during the day. It'll be drier and sunnier across those central and southern parts of the Territory. For Darwin, it will be a sunny day as well with a top of 32 degrees. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, and via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.